Hi, I'm Alison O'Connor with the CSU Extension Office in Larimer County. We're here at the CSU Annual Trial Gardens in early August taking a look at some of their amazing flowers that are on display. I just wanted to take a few moments to talk to you about container gardening. If you're a beginner gardener, or if you don't have a lot of space, or you just love unusual plants, container gardening is a great way to add some color to your patio, your front door, or even your garden. A couple things to keep in mind. There's 3 types of plants you want to consider: the thriller, the spiller, and the filler. A thriller, which we don't have, is something tall and a little bit unusual looking. A filler is something that takes up the bulk of it, so in this case it might be this blue lobelia. And then a spiller is a plant that tends to droop over and cover the edges of the pot. A couple of tips with container gardening. 1, make sure your container is large enough for the plants at maturity. And 2, make sure that you're regularly fertilizing to keep the plants blooming. Because every time you water, a little bit of nutrients are going to leach out of the potting media, so you want to replace that with your own fertilizer.